Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of the silver symbol on February 25th. The price yesterday experienced selling pressure and ultimately reacted to a highly significant level. As of today, with an aggressive move, it is...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Heading upward. If the price manages to close with a strong, full-bodied candle, it could indicate a bullish bias in the coming days. Also, if it stabilizes above its order block area, this would signal the end of the bearish phase and the start of a bullish trend, allowing silver to set higher levels as its movement targets. However, keep in mind that the price could also move upward, close above the order block area, and then face selling pressure. To confirm the start of a bullish trend, we can use the $90 level as a reference. If gold also closes above its previous day's candle, and silver closes above the order block area, these can serve as two strong confirmations for a bullish price movement. However, if the price moves upward, collects liquidity on the buy side, and then closes again within that area, it could simply be a liquidity sweep. If gold also closes above its previous day's candle, and silver closes above the order block area, these can serve as two strong confirmations for a bullish price movement. However, if the price moves upward, collects liquidity on the buy side, and then closes again within that area, it could simply be a liquidity sweep. The price towards, by analyzing the 4-hour time frame of the silver chart, we can see the price movement after it checks that specific area. The order block in this area turned into a broker block and acted as a support zone, pushing the price upward. As we can see, after a consolidation phase, the price is moving upward, and it is expected to collect the liquidity on the buy side. If it closes back inside the order block zone, it could enter a bearish phase, collect the liquidity on the sell side, and correct down to the rejection block area. However, if the price moves upward with a strong displacement and closes above the order block zone, it can continue its trend and eventually enter the BPR area. By analyzing the multi-RSI indicator from TradingFinder, we can identify a negative divergence in the market, which could serve as confirmation for the end of the bullish trend and the start of a bearish correction. If the price maintains this momentum and stays above the zone, the trend remains intact until the divergence signals a reversal. You can also effectively use this specific technical indicator as a secondary confirmation for your strategy. If the line moves steadily downward and ultimately fails to reach the upper overbought zone, then the bearish divergence signal is officially confirmed and the price is likely to continue its move downward. Additionally, it is highly recommended to always avoid trading against the prevailing market trend. And instead, you should only focus on looking for high probability buy positions within the current market environment. By analyzing the 1-hour time frame of the silver symbol, after a ranging phase, the price formed liquidity on both the sell side and the buy side. With an aggressive upward move, it collected the buy side liquidity, and after gathering the external liquidity, it can move toward balancing the internal liquidity and the FVG zones. Wishing you success and profits.